before we get into the vlog, I just wanted to say that Parallel Apparel has a new drop available now. We have a new color called Mocha, as well as some new items, and I cannot wait to see you guys rocking it. Definitely check it out. Link is in the description box, or you can just go to parallelapparel.com. And yeah, love you guys so much. Can't wait to see you looking sexy as is. Harry Styles hand delivered this to me.
Thank you, you knew exactly what I wanted.
So it has 4 nail polishes.
I need a vent.
I think I'm on first name basis with some of the baristas.
Shut the fuck up. Wait, I love the wide.
Oh my god, this is so like pretty. Good morning. It's loud. Currently headed to go get a COVID test and then gonna pick up some coffee. We just had our Parallel launch this morning. I'm really excited for it. It's also very loud and people are probably staring, but that's what the sunglasses are for. Oh my god, the bonsai place. Backyard bowl's opened. Fuck yeah. Okay, wow, that was literally the easiest and quickest thing ever. We stole Ashley's car because she was behind mine. Honestly, anytime I'm driving Ashley's car, you can just assume that's the reason why. We got the goods. I got TK a matcha, and then I got a chagachino today. I think I'm on first name basis with some of the baristas at Alfred, which honestly, about time. Makes my heart happy. For you, my queen.
Thank you, you knew exactly what I wanted.
Was it? Exactly?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Happy launch day!
Happy launch day!
Woo!
Ash is getting salty because you haven't posted that much on your personal Insta.
Okay, however, I just got a whole vlog.
I know, I was defending you.
Yes.
Was I not defending her?
Yes.
Why are you acting like I'm not gonna?
Whoa!
Yeah.
It's just noon already.
I've never seen you with these sunglasses on.
They're Ashley's. Also, not like today's the best day of my life or anything, or I'm not also saying that Harry Styles hand delivered this to me because he didn't, but maybe someone from his team did. I'm honestly not sure. For those of you who do not know, Harry Styles came out with a brand. This is his brand? Yeah, founded by Harry Styles in 2021. We have nail polish, we have illuminating serum, pleasing. Guys, I'm just honored that I was somehow, I know. Just put on some makeup. I'm almost done finishing. I was watching Alexis Oakley's glam room tour. Go watch it. She's great. Honestly, if I needed a makeup artist more, I would use her all the time, but I feel like I'm like decent at makeup, so it has to be something special for me to book like makeup for something. I was gonna do my normal like lip combo that I've been loving. However, I have my coffee. I feel like it's just gonna get messed up, so right now I'm just gonna use the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm. This is the new one that came out. They revamped this and I really like it. This one has like a hint of color, but I feel like it's a really, I don't know, it's a great color. I also am getting hungry, so I feel like it's pointless to do my lips just for it to like all come off. But that is the makeup today. Also guys, I need a vent. It is currently, the day I'm filming this, it is November 15th. Vlogmas is coming, and to be honest, I have no idea what to do for my intro. Last year I had a billboard. The year before I did 25 different intros. I feel like for whatever reason this year I'm just not like, nothing is exciting me, which is good. You know, I want to only do something that I'm like super proud of and that I want to do. However, it's the 15th. I'm like, I gotta figure this shit out. I'm like, you know, December 1st is coming quite fast. If any of you are new and you have no idea why I came out with Vlogmas merch in the first place, Vlogmas is a time on YouTube where it's kind of like a challenge where you upload every single day. It could be any sort of video, but you just upload every single day till Christmas. So it's essentially 25 vlogs in a row, daily vlogs. And every year I have like a really dope, crazy intro, and this year I am struggling. Struggle bus. So if you have any ideas or any inspo, just please comment it below. I'm down for anything. I feel like every year it's been this, oh, I need to outdo myself type of mentality, and this year I'm totally fine just doing a complete 180 from that and doing something more simple or what, like, I don't really care what it is. I just want to be excited and proud of it. So I'm open to anything. I'm not gonna like buy a building or like just do stupid shit like that. Like last year was super fun with the billboard, but I want it to be like cool in a different way. So if you have any ideas, please comment below. Yeah, maybe I just won't have one. Kidding. I'll have one, but we gotta figure it out, guys. I gotta figure it out. Super exciting package, you guys. I was not expecting this. I had a call with Sony, I know, and they wanted to gift me a camera to kind of like test out and see if I like it for vlogging. And I opened this and I was like, wait, I need to vlog this because it came. Whoa. And this, what? I feel like this is legit. Oh my god, I feel like I'm like a secret spy. Don't break a nail. Dun, da, 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 da. Oh, shit. Oh my god. I love technology shit. Oh my god, this is like a full-on... This is the mic that I've been trying to order, TK.
No way.
The one that like... Yes, that goes on top. So they're letting me borrow this. I have to give it all back, but I feel like that's perfect. Kind of like actually test it out and see how I like it. This is the Sony ZV-E10. The last time I did a vlog, like camera unboxing, it was for the ZV-1, I believe, and that one didn't have a wide lens. However, now they made it where it has interchangeable lenses. So that's the T. Shut the fuck up. They have a wider lens than I thought. Oh, guys, I might have a new vlog camera, which like, this is a big deal if you know me.
What does it go to?
It's 10 to 18. No biggie, no biggie. This is just a big moment. Sony's also just so much better for low light. This is an iconic mic. It's always sold out. My favorite thing is that there's no cord and it connects directly through the hot shoe of the camera. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Okay, whew, we're good. They also gave me the tripod. This is the one that I had last time where you can like record and move it and shit. And then they also gave me the 16 to 55 millimeter lens, but I'm gonna be trying the 18 to 10 because that's wider and that's what I used for my other one. Did they give me a memory card? I would assume so, but also, oh my god, look at, they also gave you just like a little wind thing to go on it if you don't wanna use a mic. Oh my god, Taylor motherfucking King.
What?
Look at this. Plug this into the battery so you can plug it into the outlet, like an outlet. Like, so if it's on the tripod for a long time, this is the battery, but it plugs into, that's what we need for.
Oh my god.
I need a memory card.
It looks like a hot dog. Actually, it looks like a brat.
Oh my god, it's so light.
Really?
This is the Canon. We're gonna cut to the Sony and let me know your guys' thoughts. 3, 2, 1. Oh. 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 I love it. I love the camera. Wait, it's dark.
Maybe I'm
You're backlit. You're backlit. It's on auto.
Oh, yes. Wait, it's so wide. I love it.
I love it too. And it's so much lighter than the other one. I just want to know if the mic's working and if it sounds. I feel like this mic has to be better. ASMR tingles. ASMR tingle.
Wait, I love the wide. It's kind of a good thumbnail.
Do you like a close-up of my makeup? Is it like sharper than the other one?
Yeah.
There's also a
It's
button.
very true to what's in real life. How does the tree look?
Oh no, this looks great. Okay, update, Tiki and I did some filming and we are outside now and I just still kind of want to play with this camera and see how we like it. The only thing is I'm still not positive about the mic, if it's on. Like, I think it is. Or, I think it is. Low-key waiting for these two to go to the bathroom. Okay, just listen back to the clip. The mic is on, which, you know what? Great. We love. Honestly, I can't get over how light the camera is, which is amazing. And I keep talking about this the entire time. We'll see what makes it in the actual video, but hey, mama. Hello, Snoot. Hello. Okay. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, you know, you may have seen the fact that, oh, so sorry. You may have seen me post my Harry Styles pleasing PR on there, and obviously I showed you earlier in this vlog. The amount of replies, I just checked, the amount of replies I got of people being like, you better fucking vlog this. I was like, oh my god, we gotta do a first impression. So welcome to Alicia Marie's opinions on Harry Styles new brand called Pleasing. Love the fact that we're breaking barriers with stereotypes, specifically around gender, because there are no rules. And if you want to wear nail polish, you can. Oh my God, this is navy. I thought it was black. Loves. Anytime I see like a dark navy blue color, I think of The Parent Trap, because that was like growing up, that was like, you know what I'm talking about, okay? You know what I'm talking about. So it has 4 nail polishes. This one is in the color Pearly Tops. It looks like it'd be very, very like sheer. This one is Perfectly Pearl, which you guys know me, I love a white nail polish. Granny's Pink Pearls is this really pretty like bubblegum pink color. And then Inky Pearl is a very pretty like dark navy iridescent color. Oh, I wish my nails weren't black, otherwise I'd paint it over them. Oh, this is way darker than I thought. It is kind of like, it's like a black with a blue sheen. Oh yeah, the sheer one's like so sheer. Ah, I love that there's a white one, which is still pretty sheer, but I'll always love white nails. Okay, I know this is actually like such a shitty job because it's on paper, but that's what the colors look like. You can kind of like see that, like this one, I thought this was gonna be more of a navy color, but it's definitely a black with the tiniest bit of like a navy sheen, especially when you hold it like up to the light. I feel like you can really kind of see it. The pearly one is like extremely sheer, and then the white one's also kind of sheer, but it has a little more color. And then this one's pretty vibrant. So absolutely love this. I love the fact that he came out with nail polish, especially because I know there's so many other, you know, like guys who have worn nail polish and everyone freaking makes a fuss about it, but I love that he like decided to come out with nail polish because I think it's so like, I don't know, I just freaking love it. I also really love the top of them. I'm sure you've already noticed them. They're like these like marbles almost. Very cool, very vibey. There's an eye gel and matte lip oil, which is interesting. The pearlescent illuminating serum for all skin types. So those are the other 2 items that came in the box. Here's the serum. Oh my God, this is so like pretty. Kind of gorgeous. Let's see how it feels on. Use daily alone or as a priming base for makeup. Love that. Honestly, I feel like I have to actually try this tomorrow, like in the morning. It actually doesn't smell kind of like anything. Like there's not much fragrance in it, which is actually good because it's like good for your skin. Eye gel and matte lip oil. Are they the... Oh, tea. Okay. This product's double-sided, which is kind of interesting because they're 2 completely opposite products. This side has a little lip on it, so that's the matte lip oil. And then this side has the eye, so that one's for your eyes. But, oh, it's a little roller. Guys, this is like, they're both rollers. They're both rollers. Oh my God. I've never really heard of a matte lip oil, but it kind of makes sense, especially for people who don't want a super like glossy lip in any way, because most lip oils are very shiny. Love. Refreshing eye gel. I obviously have makeup on, so I'm not gonna use that. But yeah, that is everything that came in the PR box. I genuinely love how this is clearly a brand for every single person and everybody, which obviously that's everything that he stands for. He's a king, we love him. Mwah. Okay, I kind of feel like an idiot because there was also a crew neck at the bottom of the box and I had no idea, and the box went in the recycle. We dug it out because obviously. Anyways, hope you guys like this vlog. I'm ending it right now. Love you so much and I will talk to you soon. Mwah. Subscribe. We want something more than the rah-rah. Now give me God.